As you inhale, raise your arms overhead, lengthening through the spine, and as you exhale, hug one knee into your chest. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, draw in. Let this movement feel easy and natural as you move with your breath. You can repeat this as many times as you like. When you're ready, release this movement and release the breath. With the feet wide, we'll gently move the knees from side to side with the breath. Inhaling to center and exhaling to either the right or the left. Inhale to release, exhale to gently twist. Bringing the feet back to hips width apart. We'll inhale into the belly and down into the bottom of the core. And as you exhale and draw the pelvic floor in, draw the lower belly in and tuck your tailbone towards the ceiling, gently rounding the lower back in towards the floor. Inhale, expand the core muscles as you gently tilt the pelvis forward and feel the lower back curve away from the floor. Continue at your own breath and at your own pace. On the hands and knees, begin with a neutral pelvis and bring yourself into your core breath. As you inhale, find a sense of expansion. As you exhale, draw in from the pelvic floor, belly, and ribs. Find some wall space to extend the leg, heel no higher than the hip. Inhale into expansion. Exhale to draw in pelvic floor and lower belly to stabilize the hips and pelvis and lengthen the lower back. Make sure you repeat on the second side for the same number of breaths. Set up for bridge pose with the feet hips width apart, lifting the hips high enough just to support with a bolster, block, blanket, or cushion at home. Let your hips release here. Adjust if you need to. I encourage you to stay here or extend one leg. Rest the heel on the floor and let the hip open. If you'd like to go even deeper, you can bring the opposite knee in towards the chest, holding the knee, the thigh, or the shin. As you deepen the hip crease on the bent knee, open the opposite hip and extend through the leg. When you're ready, switch sides. Focus on your breath, letting go deeply on the exhale. And when you're ready, coming back to both knees bent, or try extending both legs to straight. Stay here with the breath. And when you're ready to, bring the feet in, lift the hips, lower down to the floor. Do some windshield wipers, take the heels of the hands into the hip creases, gently pedal from side to side and draw the lower belly in. Come to lie on your stomach. You can do this with or without support. If you'd like to use support, using a rolled blanket or towel at home, or a bolster if you have it. Take the feet a comfortable distance apart, rest the head down, and just come into your breath. Stay here as long as you'd like. When you're ready, transitioning the hips back towards the heels into child's pose. And you can use your support under your hips, your knees, or your head. Take your time. Namaste.